So here we have a very popular style with Enzo Bonafe. It's a so-called jumper boot, and this has been made in mahogany shell Cordovan, which is super popular with Enzo Bonafe. We've done tons of these in different types of Cordovan, often with a Dainite sole. As you all know, nowadays we have available the genuine Dainite sole from Enzo Bonafe. Cordovan is of course very good for fall. It's a durable material. We like it a lot. As is often the case with Enzo Bonafe shoes, as I mentioned earlier, on a different MTO we did, you have the quite wide soles with the fudging. It's very distinct for Enzo Bonafe. Of course, the fudging is all made by hand. I mean, almost everything on an Enzo Bonafe shoe is made by hand, which makes them remarkable, in my mind at least. These MTO boots have been made with silver eyelets, as you can see, which makes them a bit unique. We don't often make them with silver, usually we make them in brass. Also with a flat laces to make them a bit more dressy, I guess. Yeah, all in all, very nice pair of boots to a very happy client. We're sending these out this afternoon.